Karina Altamirano, the voice of Reyna in Valorant.
Hello, everybody.
You're very beautiful, Karina. And, well, Reyna's very badass too, but she's very scary. I wanted to know how you got the audition for Valorant.
It was curious because they told me, you have a cast for a new video game? And I said, yes, of course. And then another day they told me, but this is going to be in English. And I said, what? I don't speak English. I've never said I speak English.
You do speak English.
I'm insecure about that because I don't practice it. It's supposed that I should speak very well because I studied like 4 years, something like that. And they said, don't worry, you have to speak like you do. And I was like, who told you I speak English? Why are you saying that? So I went there and I was scared when I get there. And they told me, don't worry, it's a Mexican and it's good if you have a Mexican accent and you just enjoy it. More, no? Something like that. Yeah, I remember. Ay, corazón, all dead. And I'm still hungry. That was a snack. I want a meal.
That's amazing. She's really evil. Oh my God.
Yeah. Favor, cariño. Kill her. Who is the hunter now? Viper, why do you always have to play with your food? You are so disappointing.
You are so disappointing.
Parasito. If I act superior, it's because I am.
Here comes the party.
Here comes the party. Here comes the party.
Yes.
The hunts begin. Their head is in the guillotina. Now pull. They're nothing to me. What hope do these criaturas have? Poor miserable criaturas. As much as this world hurts me, it's mine and I will kill to defend it. Revive me, Jet.
Revive me, Jet! Revive me, Jet! Revive me, Jet!
Peekaboo. Sage, we're a perfect pair. You give life, I take it. Quiet. Everybody must be quiet.